Number one.
Let's get it.
You ready, Mika?
Let's get it.
3, 2, 1.
What's up, Flippers? Here we are at Blade Show West 2019. We're at the Squid Industries booth, the illustrious Squid booth. We've got our flipper section over here where people have spent most of the weekend just flipping and having a good time. Getting ready for the West Coast Flipping Championship. Any minute now, we're going to see 32 competitors going at it to see who can win the prizes, and it's just going to be very exciting. Going to have a great time. I'm going to go ahead and go over the rules quickly, and then we will learn about our judges. The way that this tournament is going to work is we have 32 competitors who are ready to flip their hearts out with live blades. Every knife used today is sharp, I hope. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. I'ma take a hop and open shop. I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Yeah, only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop. They gon' say I did it, but I never really done it. Ayy, I been trying to make a profit, stacking up 100 seconds. Nothing in my soul so long, I swear I need a concentrate. Like I just got like too much on my mind, I feel like delegate. Yeah, whoa, I need to set it straight. Half of all these rappers sound like duplicates. Yeah, that's the type of shit don't need to illustrate. I'm in my own lane, I don't ever wanna separate. Nada, I wrote designer with all my Prada, wanna holla. They see the guala, whole enchilada like can't find her. I know she gotta be coming like back. She said she like my voice, so she like it in my tracks. Yeah, they gon' tell me like it is. Yeah, I started from the bottom, now you see me calling dibs. Yeah, I don't got no time for fakes, you know what it is. Yeah, I'm staying out of trouble, never hanging with the skates. Ayy, yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. I'ma take a hop and open shop. I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, they gon' know my name, a lot to anger me. Let me jog your memory. I would do this shit for free and now they say it's still a beat. Nah, I ain't bout it, make a beat like I just found it. Jot it down, I work around it. I was nothing, I was doubted. Now these people lost surrounding me. Now they fans when I knew they always hated me. That's just nothing new. Ay, got some loose chains like it's old news. They don't tell me what they gon' do, they just tell me what they won't do. That's the type of shit I'm used to. They think too much when I'm alone too. Yeah, I think way too much when I'm alone too. Shit, yeah, they gon' tell me like it is, like it is. Yeah, I started from the bottom, now you see me calling dibs. Yeah, I don't got no time for fakes, you know what it is. Yeah, I'm staying out of trouble, never hanging with the skates. Ay, yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. I'ma take a hop and open shop. I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Yeah, only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop.
I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody y'all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind that they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on a gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time, y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up, see you niggas on decline. Blowing up like a landmine, your career needs a lifeline. Work ethic ain't like mine, pray to God start seeing signs. Try to pull up in the I-8, you wanna ride but it's too late. Showing me love but it's all fake, deep inside know it's all hate. I cannot lose in this mind state, my timing is now and they can't wait. Don't know what's to come like a blind date, keep putting that work and we all straight. Great.
Judges. Oh, baby. We got ourselves an old-fashioned pie. Let's hear for flipper number one. Flipper number two. Flipper number one progresses. Number two to the lower bracket.
All right, we will be starting with flipper number 1. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 1. Seiji, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 2. Let it breathe, let it breathe, let it breathe. Judges. Flipper number 1. Huge round of applause for Seiji. Joff, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Flipper 1. Diego, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Diego, flipper 2, round 1. Judges, flipper number 1 with 1 point. Flip-flop, who starts first? Diego. 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 2. Joff, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Flipper 1. Round 2. Judges. Flipper number 2.
So another round?
1-1. Is anyone else extremely excited? Flipped back over to Joff. Are you ready? Round 3. 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 1. Diego. 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 2. Round 3. 1 person for 3rd place, 1 person for the grand finals of the West Coast Flipping Championship. Thank you, Squid Industries, and all of our sponsors. Judges. Flipper number 2, Diego. Congratulations to Joff for 3rd place, and a huge round of applause for his run. First 2, 3, meaning first 2, 3 round wins. It's going to be a gauntlet. And the way we're going to decide who goes first, and then it will just flip back and forth for the remainder of the rounds, is a classic game of rock, paper, scissors. On shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.
Diego will go first.
Sorry, wait, Diego won the tournament. He gets to choose.
Sorry, your choice. Yeah, okay. Mika, you'll be going first. Round 1, grand finals. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Flipper number 1, Mika. Diego, first round point goes to Mika. 3, 2, 1. One. Mika. Round 2. Judges. Mika takes another point. Round 3. Flipper number 1, that's Mika. Diego, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Diego. Round 3, point goes to judges. Diego. 2-1. Diego fighting for his tournament life. Who started last time? Remind me. Mika started. Okay, Diego, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Diego!
Bring it!
Round 4.
Go, Mika.
Mika, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Mika! 1. Mika! Diego. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Diego, are you ready? Zach, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Diego. Championship victory. First place, undefeated. Huge round of applause. All right, hey, I need our first, second, and third place winners up on stage with me, please. That was a fun.
Somebody hand me the trophy.
TV, Lucas.
Oh wait, this is Mika's lucky dog.
That's crazy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the top 3 West Coast Flipping Championship Flippers. In 3rd place, we have King Joff. In 2nd place, Diego. And in 1st place, losing only a couple rounds to Diego, we have Mika. One more gigantic, huge Blade West round of applause for our top 3 flippers of the West Coast Flipping Championship. Thank you to every single one of our competitors who entered today. Thank you to all the audience members and Blade West people who came to watch this fantastic championship hosted by Squid Industries. And one more chance to give an absolute huge thanks to our sponsors, Blade HQ, Benchmade, Blade Runner Systems, Eldon Tally, Flightanium, Beagler Blade Works, KPL, and Spyderco. And I'm sorry to say, thus concludes the 2019 West Coast Flipping Championship. I don't know where to tell you to go, but you can't stay here. Actually, you can, and we invite you to come talk to us at the Squid booth. Come pick up some Balisongs, come get into it yourself, and maybe next year, you'll be a champion. Flipper number 2, are you ready? Well, here we go. Flipper number 1, are you ready?